ECDL Image Editing 5.2 Painting Tools. 5.2.6 Clone a portion of an image using a clone tool, selecting size and opacity. In the toolbox, click the clone tool. The clone tool is here. Hold the Control key and make your clone selection. The Control key, and you see that it's changing from not allowed to do any cloning to being allowed. The next thing is, so tool options, click the opacity, size and brush as required. The clone tool, like any of the other tools, has got a brush size which you can change. This is the one that I use most of the time, but in one of the exercises it tells you to use the ellipse tool. This is the ellipse tool. The size usually for this kind of design, so you can see the size, it's quite big. It's up to you to change it. So this is the smaller size. The size is usually the most important, and then the hardness 0.5, so you can see that it's kind of blurred on the edges. It's not a hard edge. So here you're looking at this particular assignment. Open task SLO 5.2.7 in the task 5 folder and copy the 3 robot figures onto your new transparent layer. So the first thing you need to do is add a new layer. So you have the layer of the purple robot, the orange robot and the blue robot, and then you have the text. You can see that the size of the layer is only just the size around the robot. You can't actually copy on this. You need to make a new layer. So we create a new layer here. Create a new layer and add it to the image, and we make it transparent. We call it robots. Okay, we'll do the purple one first. Click in the layer to copy, press on your Control key and then click on your left mouse. You see the difference? You need to click. Then you go to the layer where you're going to copy and you just paint it. So this is a painting tool. I think that the brush is a little bit too small, so I can make it bigger because I seem to be losing. It takes a little longer, so I'm going to make this to 40. Right, the orange robot, in the layer, Control, press, click, go to the layer where you're going to copy it and then start copying. This is better, like the 40 size. Now the robot could have been a little bit higher up. And now we do the blue robot, click in the layer, Control left click with the mouse, go to the layer where you're going to copy it, and there we go. And that's it. File, save as, task, save. So because they're all on the same layer, you can turn them on and turn them off. And that's it.